Right. Hello everyone. This is AAZSS Trading Academy, and I want to welcome you to your first real step into the world of forex trading. I'm super excited to be guiding you through this journey. And before we get into the charts, pips, and profit, let's build the foundation. It's necessary we build the foundation, right? And that starts with understanding what exactly forex is. So, what is forex? Right? Forex is the act of buying and selling currencies on the global market. Unlike stock, you're not buying a company. You are trading the value of one currency against another. For example, Euro USD means you are trading Euro against USD dollar. So Euro is one currency, USD is another currency, right? So you're trading one currency against the other. So forex stands for it stands for foreign exchange. The word forex stands for foreign exchange. It is the process of buying one currency while selling another, usually in pairs like Euro USD. Right? The market exists to facilitate international trades and investment, but it also allows people like you and me to speculate and potentially make profit from price movements that are up or down, right? So it is the largest financial market in the world with over $6 trillion, $6 trillion traded daily. That's huge. It operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, right? There are no closing bells. 24 hours a day, 5 days a week across major financial centers like London and New York and Tokyo, right? It also gives traders around the world endless opportunities to catch trends, reversals, and news-driven moves, right? Okay, let's say you believe the euro will rise against the dollar. You buy the euro USD pair. If you are right, you profit as the price goes up. It's also about buying low and selling high, or the reverse of selling high and buying low. So that's the beauty of forex. You can make money in both rising and falling markets. You can make money both rising and falling market. Now, compared to the stock market, forex doesn't require huge capital to start. Also, there are no central exchange, so everything is online and decentralized. So liquidity is also higher, which means your orders are executed quickly. And leverage, we'll talk about that later. So it is also a powerful tool in increasing your potential in trading. Leverage, we'll talk about that as we move on. So just keep watch and follow our step as we teach. So to wrap it up, forex is about trading currency pairs, speculating on price movement, right? And it's open to anyone willing to learn and practice. So as we move forward, you will see how it all connects, right? So in the next video, I'll be talking about the market participants, right? Who are the participants in the market? So, and I hope you understand the basis and what forex is. So, the word forex, what it is. So, I hope you understand that. And thank you very much. See you in the next video.